Most people think saving money is the key to getting rich. They hold on tight to every dollar, afraid that if they spend it, they'll lose it forever. But that's a lie sold to you by the same system that wants to keep you working for the rest of your life. The truth is darker. Money only multiplies when it moves. The rich don't hold their money, they deploy it. Every dollar they spend is a soldier sent to conquer more. Meanwhile, the poor keep their money locked in cages, thinking that's safety, but it's actually financial death. You were trained to fear loss. Since childhood, people told you, save your money, don't take risks, play it safe. They didn't realize they were giving you the mindset of a servant. The master doesn't fear loss, he uses it. The master knows that the only way to gain real power is to exchange short-term comfort for long-term control. Every empire, every fortune, every dynasty was built by someone who spent when everyone else saved. Machiavelli understood this centuries ago. He saw that power always comes to those who dare to risk their resources strategically. If you're ready to understand why your savings account is actually a prison and how the rich use money as a weapon, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because what comes next will destroy every safe belief you've ever had about money. Ask yourself this: why do you think billionaires invest millions into businesses, networks, and influence campaigns when they could easily live quietly with what they already have? It's because they know stagnation is decay. If your money isn't working, you're not growing, you're dying.
You think holding money keeps you safe, but safety is an illusion. Inflation eats your savings. Fear freezes your progress. And while you're waiting for the right time, someone else is using their money to buy what you're too scared to chase. Freedom. Let me tell you a secret the rich will never teach you. Money hates stillness. It decays in silence. It grows only when it circulates through opportunity, risk, and movement. That's why the wealthy seem fearless when spending. They aren't spending, they're investing in power. Every move is calculated. Every expense is a strategy. Poor people see spending as loss. Rich people see it as leverage. Ever notice how the average person celebrates saving a few dollars while the rich spend thousands to attend private dinners, masterminds, or exclusive rooms? The difference isn't just wealth, it's psychology. The poor protect their money. The rich protect their position. Because once you lose your position, your money won't save you. You'll always be one bad decision away from starting over. Let's test your mindset. Imagine you had $1,000. Would you buy new clothes, upgrade your phone, or invest it into a skill that can make you $10,000 later? Most people will choose comfort. That's why they stay trapped. They trade power for pleasure. They buy to impress people who don't care about them, instead of buying access to people who could change their lives. The harsh truth? Your financial future is determined not by how much you earn, but by what you do with what you earn. The rich understand this rule like it's law. Money is a tool, not a trophy. The moment you start treating money like something to protect, you've already lost the game. Because the game of wealth rewards aggression, not caution. The world doesn't pay you for saving. It pays you for taking calculated risks. You can't build an empire from a savings account. You build it through decisions that scare you. But here's the mistake most people make. They confuse spending with investing. They think all money movement is the same. It's not. When you spend to escape discomfort, that's weakness. When you spend to increase capability, that's power. The poor spend to look rich. The rich spend to become richer.
Every decision is filtered through one question: will this make me stronger in the long run? Think about that.